guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to do the double treble. It is a little bit bigger than the treble crochet. I will also teach you how to do increases and decreases with the double treble crochet. First, you just need a chain and your hook. And let's get started. You're going to skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to go into the 5th. For some people, they go into the 6th one. In that case, they're going to count the first chains as a double treble. So you're going to yarn over 3 times. And now we're going to go into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's a long chain. Let's do that a few more times. Yarn over 3 times, going into the chain, pull through. You have 5 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That was 4 times that you're doing that. And by the way, if you're curious, that is why I have 4 chains in the front here. 3 times around, going into the chain and going through 2 each time, 4 times. So let's do that again. 3 times around, going into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. And then we're going to go into increases. So this is how double treble looks like. Let's do increases. All you do is you do the same stitch twice in the same chain. That means now I'm going to create another double treble into the same loop that I just created a double treble. Right there. 2 double trebles in the same stitch. So we're going from 1 to 2. Let's do that one more time. In the same stitch, and now you went from 1 chain to 2 stitches. That means you've made 2 double trebles in the same stitch. Now let's do decreases. We're doing the opposite, going from 2 to 1. So going into the stitch, all looks normal so far. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Stop here when you have 2 chains, 2 loops left on your hook. Now you're going to go and do the same thing that you just did into the next one. So you yarn over 3 times, go into the chain, yarn over, pull through. You now have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 until you have 3. Now you have 2 unfinished double treble crochets, and now you're going to yarn over, pull through all 3, and now you're decreased from 2 chains to 1. Let's do that one more time. Stop when you have 2 loops. Do the same thing again, and this time you're stopping when you have 3 loops. 3 loops, 2 unfinished double trebles, yarn over, pull through all 3. You are decreasing from 2 stitches to 1. So in this video you learned how to do the double treble, a little bit bigger than a treble crochet. You learned how to do increases with the double treble and how to do decreases with the double treble, which is also known as double treble together. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and share, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have so many more helpful videos for you that will help you be successful in crochet and be very happy. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.